Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to RC Addicts. I'm here today with the Protoform Corvette C8. This is my new body for the Limitless. I'm getting tired of the stock Limitless body, so I want to do a GT. This is a very nice body, a lot of room. So let's open this up, see what she looks like. Once again, this is a sick color. I'm either going with candy apple green, candy apple red, or candy orange. It's gonna be one of those three colors, but let's take this body out. Woo-wee! Damn. This thing's nicer than I thought. Look at that. Nice. Very nice. Oh yeah, this is super clean. Alright, and it comes with your splitter, and I'm assuming this is the wing. Yep, this is the wing. You can cut it out here. Very nice. Wow, I didn't even know it came with a splitter. So it comes with the front splitter, nice decals. Oh yeah. Look at that front splitter. Man, Protoform, you did good with this Corvette C8. I like this. I didn't know it came with that. Alright, then you got your decals for the Corvette. Let's take a look at this. Nice, very nice. Got those. These are the mounts for your wing. Got 2 screws. It also gives you instructions. Looks like you're gonna need the infraction mounts, which I got that. Comes with your book. Bunch of other nice cars on here. Alright. What else comes in here? Oh. Got more stickers and decals for the Corvette. Oh, this is clean. And then you got your window masks, so you can keep your windows clear. Man, good pickup right here. Front splitter, so it's gonna look something like that. Yep. Wing. And very nice, very nice car. Oh yeah. This is again the Corvette C8. I think I'm gonna go candy apple green. Yep, I think I'll go candy apple green on this. Maybe I don't know, I gotta mask it off, but alright guys, thanks for watching. This was the Corvette C8 unboxing for the Arrma Limitless.